Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
Today is 13th August and this is the day that we commemorate to celebrate the World Organ Donation Day. On this day, we try to thank all the people who in the past have been benevolent enough to donate the organs of their near and dear ones. So please remember that when somebody dies, it's a very painful experience for the entire family and for entire humanity. But heaven only knows that we need these organs on this earth. So a very small proportion of people, they actually die the brain sort of a way. So most of the people who die, they actually die the heart sort of a way. And these brain dead individuals, and a very small percentage of them who are actually able to support life of many more who are waitlisted for organ transplantation. So the common organ transplants that can be done are the kidney transplant, the liver transplant, the lung transplant, the heart transplant, pancreas transplant, small bowel transplant, so on and so forth. So still the longest waiting lists are for corneal transplants, and all of you might have heard about eyes being transplanted, though actually it is just the cornea that is transplanted. There is a huge gap between the need and what is there to be offered to these patients. Even in the most developed parts of the world, just to give you an example, a developed country like United States of America, there would be about 15 to 16,000 patients every year who would be put on the waiting list for liver transplant. Whereas the number of transplants that are done any given year range from 5,500 to 6,500, and almost 10 to 25% of patients who are waitlisted for liver transplant, they would perish or they would succumb to their liver illness while waiting for liver transplant. So this is a message that must spread far and wide. So there are a number of religious misbeliefs, taboos, myths which surround what happens to a human being after he dies. So please remember that we need organs on this earth, and your near and dear ones is going to live on in someone else's body. So this is something that we feel very strongly about as a scientific committee, as well as people who are involved with transplant, because it's so painful to see people dying while being on the wait list. So there are many patients who are waitlisted who do not have a suitable donor in the family, and the only way they can survive is if a good healthy organ comes their way. So I think on this particular day, we should again strengthen our resolve that we should try to educate the public, the community at large, to be benevolent, come forward, have an open mind on what happens to life after death, and then help many.